Oh no!
Suddenly there is no place to put my mobile phone. Do you want to quickly make a? You might even hurt your hand if you're not careful. It takes a lot of time and it's not beautiful. It's not pretty if you do it this way. Then let's print one with a 3D printer. Let's start printing. Gold Award 2018 in the first FDM 3D printer competition in China. Patented modular extruder. Flexible magnetic build mat. Full aluminum alloy construction. High-wind industrial linear guide rail. 3.5 touch screen. Printing completed. Let's start the fun assembly. The mobile phone holder printed with Goofoo desktop. 3D printer is beautiful and practical. We can also download more interesting models for creative production on the model website.